Now I want to explain you that how to find the projection of a vector A on vector B. As in the theoretical part is being explained you, the projection of vector A on B is A dot B upon magnitude of B, whereas the projection of B on A is given by B dot A upon magnitude of A. Here the problem is find the projection of vector A given by 2i plus 3j plus 2k on the vector B given by I plus 2j plus k. So to calculate the projection of first on second, we will apply the formula that is A dot B upon magnitude of B. So to calculate that, projection of vector A on B is A dot B upon magnitude of B. We have vector A is this, we have vector B is this, their dot A dot B, and whenever we are calculating the dot, we are just simply multiplying the coefficients of I, j, k respectively. 2 1 ja 2, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. It is sum 10. So this become 10 upon magnitude of vector B, that become 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is root 6. On rationalizing, the projection of vector A on B comes to be 5 by 3 root 6, which is the answer of the projection of vector A on vector B. Now I am going to explain you how to make use of some results, some facts which are not directly driven by the formulae. Find magnitude of vector A minus vector B. Under the condition that vector A and vector B are such vectors that magnitude of vector A is 2 units and magnitude of vector B is 3 units. And also that vector A dot vector B is 4 units. So what we want to do? We want to obtain magnitude of A minus B under the conditions of vector A and vector B such that magnitude of vector A is given, magnitude of vector B is given, and A dot B is given. If you can recall from the videos where I told you that the square of A minus B is A minus B into A plus B. Magnitude of A minus B's whole square is equals to vector A minus vector B dot vector A plus vector B. If you multiply, simplify, vector A dot vector A is magnitude A square, vector A dot vector B minus B dot A, and then it comes vector B whole square. So what we are obtaining here? We are going to get this result is equals to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus twice of A dot B. So ultimately we are using that magnitude of A minus B whole square is equals to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus twice of A dot B. So with the help of this, what we can calculate? We can calculate it is 2 square plus 3 square because it is 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 4, 13 minus twice of A dot B. The result of A dot B is 4, so 2 4 ja 8. This become 9 plus 4, 13 minus 8 is 5. So magnitude of A minus B whole square is 5. That's why we can say magnitude of A minus B is root 5, which is required result we need to estimate, we need to calculate.